Hey there, Renee. This is Alex with Advanced Digital Marketing. We spoke earlier today. I told you what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you three different things that you could actually take advantage of today that's going to help you bring in more customers to your business online on your website. You're probably sitting there wondering, like, why am I doing this? What's in it for me kind of thing. Especially with the fact that you said you already have someone who's working on your SEO. By going through a little bit, running a little site audit on your website, I did find out they are doing a pretty decent job for sure. However, there's a couple little things I'll talk a little bit more about. Um, and I'm not the one to say you talk down on people to, I think it's ridiculous if you have to talk someone down to make yourself look better kind of thing. That's not what I'm trying to do here. Like I said, I'm going to give you three different strategies that's going to just improve your presence on Google. So this is your website, and it's pretty good. I like it. The one thing you could maybe just add a little bit more content to, to have the most optimization at its fullest potential. You want to have about like 1,500 words on your homepage. It could be a bit hard to do sometimes in certain niches, but it could be definitely done. Um, if at the end of this video, you decide, okay, well, thanks for the info, Alex, and it'll work for you. That's fine. Go ahead and take it. I'm sort of, doing this because most business owners, by me creating this video, it shows some value. It shows you that I know I have an idea of what I'm doing, kind of thing. But yeah, away from that, so we're gonna need some content. That'll definitely help. I took a look at some of your competitors. Let's see, Oriental Rug Cleaning, Orange County. So I ran them. This is something I use. It's called Ahrefs. It's about $100, $150 a month. So I threw them in here, and then you could see on organic keywords what keywords that they're ranking for. So rug cleaning Orange County, look at that, 350 searches a month. Rug cleaning Orange County right there. I don't know why it's there twice. Oriental rugs Orange County, that's not too much. Rug repair 10, there's 100 there, right? Rugs Orange County 100. Okay, so that's like 400, 500 searches a month that we're missing out on just for rug cleaning Orange County. You also have another thing you obviously do is upholstery. So upholstery, your top competitor is a Yelp site. I usually don't show Yelp, but I'm gonna do it in this case. And you could see, look, there's 250 searches for upholstery cleaning Orange County, and then they're at the top there. So I'll show you a little bit. So upholstery cleaning Orange County. So these are the Google ads up here. Here's Google Maps. I'll go over in a sec. So that's the link. That's their top competitor, right? It's Yelp. But this would be your organic competitor, and that's Coit.com. So yeah. And when I ran you through there, so I found that you guys are actually doing pretty good. Obviously, you got a good amount of traffic, 264. And then I went down here, and I'm noticing that you guys are ranking for Newport Beach areas, types of keywords, right? Upholstery cleaning Newport Beach rather than Orange County. So Newport Beach is 150. What I showed you, that upholstery Orange County is actually 250, right? So it's just a little bit of a difference. It's almost like you could be ranking for there's a little bit more potential to go, is what I'm going to say. And I'll leave it at that, talk to you more about that another time. So Google Ads, okay, those are cost per click. I'm not sure if you're familiar with them. They can become a money pit if not done correctly. However, if they are done, they could definitely help you bring in some quick business by being at technically the very top of Google. But moving on, we're going to go into Google Maps. So how you would get to the top for Google Maps, that would be through citations. So you guys aren't at the top for upholstery cleaning Orange County, but let's see for carpet cleaning Newport Beach, California. Carpet cleaning Newport Beach. Carpet cleaning Beach, California. You guys might be up at the top there. Carpet cleaning Newport. No, it's not you guys either, is it? Okay. Yeah, so how you would become at the top there is through citations, okay? What citations is similar to here. So you have the business name, you have the address usually right there, and then phone number. Okay, so the NAPS, I like to call it, name, address, phone number. You may be familiar with Yelp, Yellow Pages, even Facebook counts as one. They can give you a citation through there. So one way I track citations is this tool called whitespark.ca. So here you go. You guys actually have more citations than your top competitor right there, Irvine Carpet Cleaning. But this is for Orange County, so this isn't based on Newport. Maybe I could go over that another day with you. But when it comes to Google Maps, that's going to depend on your citations, and then reviews play a little bit of a play into it, and there's a few other factors as well. And those are Google reviews that I'm talking about. So yeah, citations. Sorry, got sidetracked there. So yeah, you could literally plug this in and see right here, like you don't have zoominfo.com. You can go ahead and click on ZoomInfo, type up all your info, and boom, get the citation pumped out. Here you don't have BuzzFile, they do. That's how you can kind of add more. Maybe you just need a little bit more. I would suggest just double it. You got 42, let's get 84, so you're that much far ahead, and they don't even know what hit them, right? You're just that much far ahead. You have more content and you have more citations. That'll be very effective. Okay. So moving on, I'm going to move on to the third thing. It's very important when it comes to Google ranking your business on Google. I call it link juice. So you can see obviously when we search for carpet cleaning Newport Beach, you guys actually show up to the top for Newport Beach, but not Orange County. Okay, carpet cleaning Orange County. And maybe we could set up something else. Maybe I could build, if you guys are looking for more business, I could even build my own lead gen site and send you jobs from there, and we can create a little deal going for carpet cleaning Orange County. Or we build you a second website and do the same thing, but rank for Orange County. There's all different strategies we could do with that. But sorry, the third thing we're going to go over is backlinks. So how I can explain backlinks is you have site A that's pointing to site B. So you have site A pointing to site B, right? And site A is acting like authority to Google. It's sort of like a popularity contest, right? So site A is pointing to site B, saying, in Google's eyes, it already knows and recognizes site A, and yours is site B. So the best way to do it is to have relative sites. So they have to be relevant to carpet cleaning, rug cleaning, upholstery cleaning. Okay, and for example, you don't want to have your website link steammasteroc.com. You don't want it on Pizza Hut or Cars.com because you're not slinging pizzas and you're not selling cars. Okay, you're in the carpet cleaning business, and yeah. So here's one way you could so here's where we have, this is the power of your website, and this is the trust. Okay, so you could probably improve the trust of the links that are pointing to your website. That could be a little bit more improved. When I compare you to your competitor in rug cleaning Orange County, So them too, they could definitely improve their own trust, but they are at the top, okay? And they might not even be the best example, but what you could do, this is called the copycat method. Sorry, this is loading slow. So you go to referring domains, and these are the backlinks that I was talking about. So referring domains, you go ahead and click on it. Sorry about that. Okay, and you could literally take every single one of these links, copy them all. Okay, but it's not always the best thing to do. Like I said, they have to be relevant to your website, and you want to have lots of trust. So this is the trust ratio right here. And look, so blogs can be good to power your site, but they're not always trusted. So you see, yeah. So this is your competitor again, and you would take relevant websites. At the end of the day, that's what you got to do. And in your case, you kind of just need you have more referring domains than them, but you're just not using the right keywords. It's the content that you mainly have to fix. Um, so yeah, and we want to improve the trust of the links that are going to your website. Your trust flow needs to be improved, and I can help you out with that. I have access to an entire database of very trusted links within my groups that I'm involved in, and different partners that have trusted, authoritative links to Google, 10-year, 20-year-old websites that are known by Google, right? So if it's pointing to your website and it's relevant to carpet cleaning or rug cleaning, it's really going to help you out. But yeah, so the three things we went over, we got to improve some content, maybe add a little bit more, change some of the keywords, maybe add some keywords, Orange County keywords in particular, and then let's add some more citations, just to improve that a bit. You are in the lead, but we could do a little bit better. And then your link juice. So we need some more trusted links going to your website. And yeah, so I gave you these three different strategies today, and if you implement these strategies, you can be number one across Google for carpet cleaning Orange County, rug cleaning Orange County, and upholstery cleaning Orange County. You're already ranking for Newport Beach, which is good. There's obviously more volume in all of Orange County, right? And we can talk more about that. Like I said, I brought up that idea of maybe me creating my own website for it, and sending you jobs, letting you sort of rent it out for a month or so, or whatever works. We could structure that later. Go ahead and reach out to me if you wanna talk more about this. You can reach me at 949-649-6093. Yeah. So I'm sending you this info. Hey, if you want to take it and use it yourself, I'm completely fine with that. Like I said, that's what I initially brought up. But if you notice that this guy Alex has definitely got some tricks up his sleeve. I appreciate that seems like he's trying to help me out. I'd love to meet up with you one day, maybe come by the office. Whatever works for you. Again, yeah. Here's the video. These are the three strategies you could use to rank on Google. I appreciate you giving me a shot here. Thank you.